Hey everybody, so today we have to do a M12 Milwaukee 3-inch cutoff tool conversion into a finger belt sander, so please stick around. This is the 3/8 by 13 belt flavor. Stick around and check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? I hope you guys' day is going well. Alright, so today we're gonna do this video as quick as possible. Make it easy for you guys to follow. We're gonna be converting this Milwaukee. I have two of these tools to convert. The other one is sitting right here. Two separate tools. We're gonna make them permanently a different tool. So we're gonna be turning this into this guy. So let's get started. All right. Take that off. Not going to be using that on this tool anymore. Got a little lock on the back right here. It is clockwise to loosen. Take the arbor plates off. So this kit right here came with an a T8, not an M, my bad, T8 Torx bit. That's what you guys need for these screws right here. And I'm going to put these screws back in the holes they came out of. This kit did come with instructions. I can always put the instructions in the video, which I don't think you guys are going to need the instructions. I don't need them either. It was nice that the guy sent them. They're very, very well complete instructions. He did a very good job on them, as well as making this kit as well. Okay, shroud, this plate comes off. This seal is taking a dump on the tool. It's this felt seal. Okay. Just like so. Gonna turn these screws backwards until it bites, falls back in its hole. Then we're gonna thread them in. Like that. All that does is make sure that it sits back in its hole in the original way that it was drilled in. Okay. Pull it out just a little bit. I'm gonna do that for all of them. So we're gonna act like we're gonna be unthreading them, and you'll feel it. It will physically drop, and then you go forward. Right there. Made a little click and it dropped in a little bit. You'll feel it. It's more of a you'll feel it than a visual thing. Alright. With this guy right here. Right there, dropped in. That just makes sure that the screw goes back into the hole in the threads that it was threaded originally in, because these are self-tapping threaded screws. So if you don't get them back in their direct original threading, it will create new threading, and you'll have a bunch of problems. And you'll end up stripping the plastic out, and you'll never get it back in. Or you'll never be able to use these screws again. Okay. Tighten it. Don't He-Man it and over tighten it, or you'll strip it. It is just holding a piece of aluminum. Okay. Just recheck them. Okay. That is definitely very tight. It's pretty snug press fit for that guy. Drop the screw back in. Grab the Allen head and tighten the screw back down. Okay. Should be good. It's cogging. Alright. Grab this Allen head. We'll get this off this tool. Okay. Push the belt in. Let's get the belt off. Get this housing off. There we go. And it looks about the same. Yep, exactly the same. This guy. So got that off. So we'll have another extra housing. If I ever want to make one of these housings, I can turn that back into a pneumatic tool again. Okay. Get her on here. This is a very, very easy process. It's not very hard to do. Okay. Pop the belt back on here. Make sure everything fits. Put tension back on it. Okay, we'll grab a small battery. Have that in forward. Reverse. 20,000 RPM. She is good to go. That is it. I could have swore this had variable speed, but I could be wrong. That's it. We're gonna go do this too. And what I would do, guys, I would save these parts. You might need them. I have 3 of these tools. So my original one is being used as the 3-inch cutoff tool. And then this one's going to be dedicated for this guy. And then I have this one over here that is going to be dedicated to this guy. I would keep all these parts for the, if you have the original, if you're going to do what I'm doing and making these permanently dedicated as this tool, then I would keep these for the 3-inch cutoff tool if you already have a 3-inch cutoff tool. I wouldn't throw these away. You know, if you don't have a 3-inch cutoff tool, maybe you bought this tool just to do this conversion, or you bought this tool to do the 1/2-inch conversion one, then you can always sell these on eBay or online, Amazon or somebody, or sell them on Facebook Marketplace to see, you know, somebody that does have the cutoff tool, they might want it. My cutoff tool is in the toolbox drawer. This guy is going to go in the toolbox drawer as well as that one over there. But just a quick installation video on how you guys can get this turned into a 3/8 by 13-inch Harbor Freight central pneumatic is what you need. You need this 3/8 by 13-inch belt finger sander. You just take the housing off. You don't need to unbolt this one at all. You can leave this one bolted on. This does work. I have 2 of these. This one I sacrificed for this tool. As you guys can see, works great. You can also untighten this clamp, rotate it like so for storage. So the whole thing still works. I appreciate you guys' time. Hope this video helps somebody. Just a really easy, quick video. The one thing that you guys want to make sure you pay attention to is make sure that you spin the screws that hold the plate. You spin those screws counterclockwise, like you're going to take them out until you feel it drop in. And when it drops in, the thread on the screw drops into the hole, into its original hole, the way it was meant to be. You'll feel it, it'll drop in slightly, you'll feel it with the screwdriver. And then go ahead and start tightening. That way you make sure that the start of the thread on the bottom of the screw lines up with the start of the thread in the hole. That would be my only advice. I do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as my Acme Tools affiliate links. Top of the description below, I also have a Ulsa Tools link. That Ulsa Tools link will provide you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off of my next order at ulsatools.com. So it does help me bring more tools to the channel. So when you use it, You save money. I also save money. It's a win-win. If you guys need anything from them, go ahead and use that link. Do appreciate you guys' time. We're going to get to the 1/2 inch by 18 inch next. Hope to see you guys on the next video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate you and all the subscribers. Have a great day. Peace!